Hey, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to Swarnamukhi Artistic Studio. Today is an exciting day as we unravel the Mont Marte Acrylic paint set, a treasure trove of 24 vivid colors waiting to bring your imagination to life. Buckle up for an artistic journey filled with surprises, as we unbox, swatch, and delve into the world of possibilities that this acrylic paint set has to offer. From bold primary colors to subtle pastels, this collection has it all. So, let's jump right in and unleash the artist in you. Alright, folks, let's bring these colors to life. We're diving into the world of Mont Marte acrylic paints on a crisp white and black canvas. Watch as each pigment dances across the paper, showcasing its vibrancy and versatility. From the lightest tints to the boldest shades, this swatching session is a visual feast that will inspire your next masterpiece. Get ready to witness the magic unfold. Watch in awe as the colors pop against the dark backdrop, creating a mesmerizing display of contrasts. It's a symphony of lights and shadows, an exploration of depth and intensity. The foundation of any great painting lies in the quality and texture of the paint. We feel the smooth, buttery consistency of these acrylic colors on our palettes and canvases. The beauty lies not only in the vivid pigments but also in the perfect balance of thickness and flow. Whether you're layering, blending, or creating intricate details, Mont Marte's consistency ensures a seamless and enjoyable painting process. Let's paint an abstract artwork using Mont Marte acrylic paints. Rich pigments and smooth consistency become the perfect companions for this abstract adventure. A bookmark that tells a story of colors, shapes, and individuality. The vibrant pigments and versatile consistency have allowed us to express our artistic visions with unparalleled freedom. So, whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting your creative journey, let this be an inspiration to continue exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your imagination. The colors flourish, the leaves take shape, and let's make reading an even more enchanting experience with our hand-painted bookmarks. Mont Marte acrylic paints have undoubtedly added a vibrant chapter to our artistic endeavors. Thank you for joining me on this colorful odyssey. Keep creating and let the artistry flourish.